In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set up your funded account inside of Funding Ticks. It is super easy to do. The first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to fundingticks.com. You also can sign up with my link down in the description below for you to check out. From here, it should look something like this. And here you can say you can purchase now, you can join the Discord, or you can log in. From here, you'll need to click login up here. And from here, if you don't already have an account on Funding Ticks, you'll need to go down to create your account. Then from here, you'll need to add in your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, confirm password, and referral code. I'll leave a referral code for you down in the description below if you want to support the channel. From here, you can see that you need to click off that you are at least 18 years of age and you have agreed to the TOS. And here you can also keep me a loop with exclusive offers, trading insights, and other kinds of stuff. This is optional if you want. If you don't want to do that, you'll just leave this blank. From here, you'll need to click Get Funded, and then you'll need to verify your email address. Once you have done that, it should look something like this. Primarily something like this, actually. From here, you can see that you can add the challenge up here on your accounts. There is a reward section, there is a leaderboard, there is certification, there's economic calendar, and there's referral codes, and down here is subscriptions. Down here, you can also change it to dark mode, which is more preferable for me personally. From here, you'll need to go up to account or this plus icon to buy your first challenge. Then you'll need to buy it. And from here, you'll need to choose a challenge type, either one step or a zero. Keep in mind that one step is a subscription service while the zero is a flat-based fee, but also will be a bit more expensive than the one step. From here, you'll need to choose in the model, where you can choose the trading model, either Funding Ticks 1 or Funding Ticks Pro. If you choose Funding Ticks Pro, you can customize your trading rules if you want to do that. But for Funding Ticks 1, you can either select account size, which is 25k or 50k. And as you can see, it will be around $112 per month. And if you choose the 50k, it'll be $177 per month. Funding Ticks only support Tradeovate, so keep that in mind before you create an account. If you are not comfortable with trading with Tradeovate, don't choose Funding Ticks. From here, you'll need to add up your billing address, where you can add in your first name, last name, country, billing address, city, and zip code, postal code. Down here, you'll also have a coupon code for you to get a discount if you have that, or else you'll just need to click I agree with the following terms and click continue to payment. From here, you'll need to add in your credit card details and pay for your challenge. Then from here, you can begin trading from your challenge account and hopefully succeed with this challenge and get your funded account. I wish you happy trading and good luck with your challenge.